So here we are going to talk about thermal properties of matter, and what we mean by thermal properties of matter would be discussed through these topics. Some of them are so we are going to talk about concept of temperature, relationship between different temperature scales. That is the Celsius and the Fahrenheit scales, and then we will introduce this concept of absolute temperature. And it will be followed by thermal expansion, thermal expansions of solid, liquid and gas, all three of them. This would include the anomalous expansion of water near 4 degree centigrade, and then we talk about specific heat, of solids, liquids and gases again, and then change of state as an application of heat input to the system. We will talk about how phase changes or the state of a system changes, and this will have concept of latent heat. And finally, we will talk about heat transfer. Okay. So, these are broadly the 7 topics that we are going to discuss, and so let us start with the concept of temperature. So, what we mean by the concept of temperature is the following. Most likely you and I have never met and never have shaken hands with each other. However, if both of us are maintaining a healthy life, then our body temperature is about 37 degrees centigrade, and then when we shake hands, we are in thermal equilibrium, and even if the fact that our feet or the nose could have slightly different temperatures, but when we shake hands with each other, we do not feel any difference in temperature, which means that we are at thermal equilibrium with our surroundings. So, consider a case when you keep ice cold water on a table, and in another case you keep a hot cup of tea on the table. So, what will happen is that if you wait for long enough, and consider this to be a hot summer afternoon when you have usually have summer vacation, the ice cold water will the temperature of the ice cold water will rise, and the temperature of the hot cup of tea will go down. Okay? And if you again, as I said, that if you wait for long enough, the temperature of both these things, that is the ice cold water